We are so excited to be heading to Aquatica today. Aquatica Orlando is owned and operated by the same parent company as SeaWorld. It boasts 42 slides, rivers and lagoons, and 84,000 square feet of sparkling white sandy beaches. It is the 4-time winner of America's Best Outdoor Water Park by USA Today's 10 Best Reader's Choice Awards. It has also been ranked as the best water park in Orlando and ranked as one of the top 10 water parks in the entire country by TripAdvisor. How awesome is all of that? It's so hard to believe that this is going to be our first time in the park. We are SeaWorld annual pass holders, but we've never been to Aquatica. We have been to water parks all around the state, but we've never been to Aquatica. And we've been traveling Florida for the last 4 years doing so many exciting things, but we've never been to Aquatica before. We have had this on our calendar and have been looking forward to it for months, but it's raining. It's been dry in Florida for months and months and months and hardly rained at all. And then we checked the weather maybe a couple of days ago, which we should know in advance that weather conditions could change at any time in Florida. But it was supposed to just be cloudy, but now it's like thunderstorms until noon, which means that we could go a little bit later, but like we're already here and it's raining, so I don't know. We're trying to decide what to do. We thought about maybe just going and doing something else for a little while and then coming back, but we're dressed for the water park, and I didn't bring any different clothes. So I don't know. I think we're just gonna go in for now and see if things improve and maybe see what you can do when it's raining. I don't know, just try to make the best of the situation. There are umbrellas on the back. And I get it, we would just get wet anyway, but it's actually thundering and lightning. So, and it's supposed to continue that for the next couple of hours. It picked up a little bit and now it's slowed down again. Right now they're playing an announcement that lets us know that all of the attractions are closed until the weather clears. So we're gonna head in anyway, see what happens.
Well, we have reconvened and walked through the pouring rain. I got back in the van. We're gonna find something else to do and then come back, hopefully.
So we headed up the road to the world's largest entertainment McDonald's. They're still serving breakfast, so I'm not real excited about that. I was hoping that it would at least be lunchtime by now, but it's 10:56, so I'm thinking that it will switch to lunch in just a few minutes. So we're gonna take the kids upstairs and let them play on the playground until the lunch menu appears, and then we'll order food.
So Anthony's gonna go play with the kids and I'm gonna go downstairs and order some food for them. So this pizza has 0 calories. Nice.
Alright, I know I have to say, whoa, this is kind of fast. It might be a little bumpy.
Finally stopped raining. We went and ate lunch at McDonald's. So hopefully it's gonna be good for the rest of the day. It looks good on the app. It says no more rain, so hopefully that's true. He has to take a nap first, and he doesn't want to. Night night.
To be honest, at this point, I could probably use a nap myself. But we must press on for the channel. Vivian and I are gonna go and explore the park.
Different slides measuring 251 feet, plunge exhibit, sounds river feet.
One of the interesting things about going to a new space is trying to figure it all out and navigate it for the first time. And really haven't looked at a map of it in advance because I always figure we can just get somewhere and figure it out. It's not the first time we've been to a theme park necessarily. But the children's area seems to be way back in the back. Okay, we found the children's area. Vivian's really excited about it. She said she's gonna ride on all the slides, so let's hold her accountable on that. But first she needs to change. I'm glad there's a family assist restroom so that we could get her changed. And she's off. This children's area is really awesome. We've had such a great time hanging out here. There are a few slides that parents and children can ride together on a tube. There is the Zippity Zappity, which is a red slide and an orange slide that are very similar to one another. And then my favorite this far is the Tamariki Twirl. And then Slider Rider and Racer Chaser are some smaller slides that children can only ride by themselves.
All right, here we are. We're back at Aquatica. There was no nap. We drove around for like an hour, and Pierce decided he didn't want a nap. Did you take a nap? No, you didn't. So we're just gonna give up on that, and we're gonna head on in to the water park. The weather's still nice, so I'm hoping that we can play for a couple hours without getting rained on.
Turi's Kids Cove has been a lot of fun, and we've been here for a little while, but I just discovered that there's another kids area called Walkabout something or other, and I'm gonna see if I can convince Vivian for us to go try a new area. Wish me luck.
Are we going?
Yay, we got in. So I did something I have never done. I got all the way to the front and realized I left my wallet in the van with our tickets in it. So I had to get Anthony to send me a screenshot of our season passes. Oh well, it's been a crazy day. I'll give it to myself for that. Of course, we had to make a little pit stop on our way to find Daddy and Vivian to see the dolphins. Pierce loves looking at all the fish. Okay. Yeah, you see it? Wow, they're going in a circle? He says roar. Is he gonna get you?
So this place looks really, really exciting, I would think, as a kid. But there are a couple of large buckets at the top that periodically drop water. So Vivian doesn't really like those, and she doesn't really want to play in this area for now. But Elena and Pierce are back, so they're gonna go get changed, and we'll just wait in this area while they do that.
Yay, we're finally here, and we're dressed. We have on our bathing suits. We found Vivian and Anthony. So now we're gonna play.
In the meantime, it is snack time, so we're gonna go get some soda and some popcorn.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, Walkabout Waters was not a success for our crew, so we're gonna head back over to the Kids Cove.
Our kids are not fans of water parks that have the big buckets. It scares both of them. And so that's what happened with us just now. Pierce was trying to play and the big bucket came down and knocked him over, and it was a big thing. So sadly we can't stay there. So we're gonna go back to where Vivian was and let her show us around. But he's got popcorn, so he doesn't care. I'm passing people with plates of food and it looks really good. I saw somebody that had a plate of cheese fries, and now that's something that I think I want.
So now Pierce is ready to explore the Kids Cove area. There's a little island over here. We're gonna go check it out and see if he likes it. It has a splash pad on it.
Anthony has Pierce walking around in the little kid section, so I'm gonna try to find Vivian and see if she'll let me go down one of the slides with her.
Pierce says that he wants to try to go ride the other children's slides. You want to ride the slides?
Yes.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Ah! Did you like it? Do you want to do it again?
No.
You don't? Do you want to do the orange one? You,
I don't like it.
you don't like it?
So he didn't cry?
Yeah, he said he didn't like it, but he didn't scream.
I'm not surprised that Pierce didn't like the slide. He doesn't normally like stuff like this. And to be honest, Vivian really didn't either until she was a little bit older. Pierce kills me just inching down the slide. He's so funny.
It looks like things are going pretty well here. So I'm gonna take a moment to explore the rest of the park and see what else there is here. This Breakaway Falls ride seems to be closed today. This wave pool over here is also closed today, but this wave pool over here is wide open. The seating areas surrounding the wave pools look like a beach area complete with sand and everything. So cool and relaxing. I've got to say though that it looks like they have packed these chairs in here real tightly. And it's cool checking out some of the slides too. There's the Kari Kari Curl. A Makaraka looks like it's closed. This one is the Wana Way. I think I expected that there would probably be more fish and aquariums here, but there seems to be just one, a dolphin habitat closer to the front of the park. Reef Plunge goes under the aquarium, so that looks like it would be really cool to ride. And Tassie's Underwater Twist, I think, is a brand new ride here. There is a lazy river called Loggerhead Lane, and it seems to be closed today. There are a couple of dining facilities here, and one of them is the Banana Beach Grill, and it happens to be closed today as well. Or the next one is called Riptide Race. Then there's Ray Rush and Walla Halla Rave. There's a pizza place near the Walkabout Waters. But there is another lazy river that's called Roas Rapids. It's a little bit bigger and you don't have to ride on a tube. You can just float in it on a life jacket. And it looks like people are really moving through there. It looks like the final slide on the journey is called Tomata Racer. Back at my point of origination to check up on the family. I am looking, but I really don't see them anywhere. I wonder what that means. I got some more soda, and then I looked around to find out if I could find a snack that I was interested in. And I didn't really find anything that interested me. So, am I missing something? There are a couple of things I think I would try if I were a little bit more hungry, but since we already ate at McDonald's earlier today, then there's, you know, I don't really want a lot of other heavy fried food or a whole meal right now. And I walked around and came back and I still don't see my family anywhere. Oh, they've been hanging out here riding the slide together the whole time. Pierce has been going down the slide over and over again. He says he likes it now. You like it, buddy?
Yes, I'm gonna go to the green one.
Oh, okay.
Good swim minutes.
To follow more of our water park adventures across the state of Florida, click this playlist right here.
Did you have so much fun?
Oh yeah.
What was your favorite part? The slide? Yeah. What color?
This.
The blue one? Yay!